How did you guys do at Fed rate decision? As I was saying in my previous video, and I was speaking facts about how every time Fed rate came in as expected, crypto and stocks bounced while DXY fell lower. And as the news came out as expected, my trade did pretty well. Now today we also have some high impact news, and that is NFP or non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate and ISM. Last time when this came out, unemployment and NFP did actually pretty well, and that was going to be bullish for the USD, but ISM came out negative and the DXY actually ended up falling further down. So be careful if you're trading this news, as different readings came out positive and negative for DXY, and this can be conflicting. And if you're not an advanced trader and unsure about your trade, better stay out, as it can get pretty volatile. So this is what I'm looking currently for BTC to trade in this range, which is 24.2k and 22.3k. For Bitcoin we have 0.236 level acting as support at 22.3k, as well as another support there. So this is like double support for Bitcoin, and of course, as you see, I have marked on the chart as well other support levels, so screenshot if needed. As I mentioned, SP500 now is trading above the orange trend line. Technicals are showing buy signals, as well as we have 0.5 level as support and more supports there. As the inflation is falling, I am looking forward to seeing a new structure form for SP500. Of course, today I will be keeping a close eye on the news, and in my next video I will be going more in-depth future analysis for SP500 as well as Bitcoin and DXY. But for now, I will be ready to trade the news, and I will be updating you guys how it all went tomorrow. Until next one!